Hi, today we're going to look at customizing the Excel control ribbon to show the Developer tab. The Developer tab contains lots of really useful controls and add-ins, and we'll look at some of those in future videos. First, left-click on File at the top left of the screen. From here, go down the bottom left of the screen and left-click where it says Options. This should pull up a control panel. You need to scroll down until you can see where it says Customize Ribbon. Left-click on here, and you'll get two further panels open up. In the right hand side panel, you can see the options that have got green ticks. They're already live. Scroll down until you find Developer. Left click in the box and you can see that goes green with a tick, and then click OK. The Developer option will now appear at the top of the screen, and upon clicking upon that you get the various controls that are hidden within Developer tab. Thanks for listening. I'll be back soon with more quick tips for Excel.